Alright, so we're going to Beyond City Limits. I know nothing about this meet. I'll pop the flyer on the screen so you can see. What's it? Today's, the morning is the exotics?
Morning's exotics, afternoon is tuners.
Okay, so it's like geared towards exotics in the morning and then tuners in the afternoon. We're rolling deep with like a whole, we got a Tesla, we got an M4, we got Sebastian's 135, Tito's 435?
435.
And then we have Junior's. This is pretty clean. We'll do a video on this soon enough. This is a 440 M Sport, white on red. It's like what you would want out of a 440. Like if you were to pick one, and it's got Harman Kardon, of course. How could you not?
Mando.
So we're gonna go to that. It's in San Francisco. So just stay tuned for some of course.
What you niggas know about dope fiends and blocks? You was always in the house, caked up with the thigh. I was whip at the whip, nigga.
Like this video so I can get that camera. Through the city right now. We're leaving the meet. It was alright. There wasn't like too much going on, and now we're just raging through the city. Bro, this shit is crazy. Junior's car sounds violent. It's fucking violent. What is it, like stage two? Stage 2.
Medium burbles.
Medium burble, he says, but that shit is
Anti-lag.
The anti-lag is insane.
It's a fucking whole 9 yards, bro.
Bro, yeah. Good meat. This shit is really fast. We'll make a video on this soon.
Cats and a demon that's nasty. Old school SS Corvette motor.
Alright, so I'm gonna go look at this E36. I have a problem with buying cars, as most of you know, but this one is actually should be a good deal. I've never owned a Vert. This will be the first time I own a Vert, and I've actually just secured some space. I got Justin taking me, always supporting these bad financial decisions. So yeah, we're gonna hopefully pick up this vert because it really isn't that far away from where I'm at, and that's pretty unusual because normally a car like an E36 is always like deep in the Bay Area or in Sac, and this one is like kind of in my neighborhood type thing where it's like, I don't know, 30 minutes instead of hours. So we're headed over there. I noticed this lady, she had an E36 in her front yard, you know, work my magic. So I have some money in an envelope, and either I'll be putting this back in the bank today or you'll see it in some fucking material asset that I don't need. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I figured I would outro the video in the 325IS. It's been a while since you guys have seen the interior of this car. I did in fact pick up that E36. There will be more content on that car later. So long as I sell the hardtop, I can pretty much consider it free. Initially, she denied my offer, and just as we were about to get on the freeway, she gave me the call back and told me she would take it. So stoked about that because that was what I wanted to pay for that car. You will see why when I show you. If anything, it will just be a moneymaker. So always good. So it has been a while since you guys have seen this car. I have been meaning to make a machine check on this thing for you guys so you can see kind of everything and where this car stands. As of now, it is almost done interior wise. I am pretty much 99% there. The only thing that I would like to do is I just need to pick up some floor mats as well as a shift boot, and then I do have a shift knob I will be running for this car. That is very OEM because you guys know I like to keep it OEM plus. I just swooped this wood storage compartment from the E36 I picked up today, as well as this guy. I don't quite know how I feel about it yet because I did wrap that piece in Alcantara and I believe it looks good because it contrasts with the pillars and the headliner, but I will probably run that once I get my shift knob and the storage compartment and all this matching. And finally, I just have to say thank you. Hitting 2,000 is like a milestone I honestly didn't think I would hit, but it does put into perspective, and it is like a realization that you can in fact grow an audience based on such a niche chassis. I love these cars, and I'm sure if you've watched this channel for any amount of time, you'd know that. I love these cars. I love learning about these cars and passing that information on to anybody else that would like to know. So making YouTube videos is actually a huge part of my enjoyment of cars. There is an element to making content and publishing it that motivates me to work on stuff. I think I had noted, but you know, even in my 325IS project, I talked about if I hadn't have recorded that whole series, I probably would have just given up on the car. You know, of course there was tons of mistakes with that build series, but that definitely helped me like stay on track and finish and follow through with the project. I say all that to say I am hoping to continue making content on these cars. I've been super busy, but I'm trying to grow the channel. I'm trying to produce quality content that you guys enjoy, and I'm trying to make it my own style, not rip anybody else's content, and kind of just do my thing. I've actually managed to secure a lease on a workshop, kind of. It's not much bigger than what I work in now, but it is substantially bigger than what I work in now, so that will make all of the difference when it comes to content creation. Let me know what you guys would like to see down below. Thank you for supporting and watching this far if you have. But with all that said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.